in a style that aims to capture the essence and majesty of Psalm 3, reformulated poetically. O Lord, how numerous my foes have grown! Around me many rise and make their moan. Against me many say, no help for him in God. Yet you, O Lord, are a shield all about, my glory, the one who lifts my head high.
I call aloud to the Lord, and from his holy hill he answers me. My word, I lay me down and sleep, I wake again, for the Lord sustains me through pain. Adbody will not fear the tens of thousands, drawn up against me on every side. Their demands, rise, O Lord, save me, my God. For you strike all my enemies on the cheek, you break the teeth of the wicked. Salvation belongs to the Lord, your blessing be upon your people. There accord dot in your might, we find our rest. By your grace, we are eternally blessed.
If you like the video and want to see more videos, then subscribe and share this channel.